And now, I'm gonna share you a secret. Listen attentively right now.
Hello guys, welcome back, and today I will tell you how you can make your balance several times bigger safely. I'll show you one feature that very little people use, but it's actually been available for a really long time, and if it used correctly you can earn a lot. In this video, we'll be using technical analysis, so it's about support and resistance levels, some channels, figures of technical analysis, reversal patterns, and so on. So it's gonna be interesting, so be sure to watch this video till the end if you want to get new knowledge, new experience, which will help you in earning money on binary options. So today I will be trading on compound interest, and what does it mean? We have an average bet amount of $100, but if we click the dollar button, we'll be getting deals in percentage terms. So let's bet 15% of balance. So when the balance is increasing, we'll be betting not at least $100 or any other sum, but constantly growing bet amount as our deposit is growing together with it. So compound interest means percent working for percent. I really recommend all of you to learn this information online. It's good to read about what a compound interest is. So I won't be going deep into it, but I can tell you for sure that it's a mathematical strategy which is making you develop your balance much more faster. So the bigger the balance is, the bigger the bet amount. So I don't have to watch my bet amount sum all the time. I know for sure that it's always 15% of deposit, so the bigger deposit is, the bigger the bet amount is. And when the trading is positive, our deposit is growing much faster. So let's move to trading, and I'll show you all the other things on practice. So let me remind you to watch this video till the end. Okay. So guys, let's analyze the first deal. I marked resistance zone on this chart, and for those who do not know, resistance zone is being made on several reversive points. So look, we see from here this starts its upward motion, the chart, and somewhere here it stopped and starts to move down, and it has a reason. We point attention to that level. Then we see the chart starts its upward motion again and goes in correction as well. So it's some important levels that a serious trader is watching, or several traders. So that the zone is a resistance zone because it's located above the chart. And we suppose that the next time the chart reaches the zone, it won't go up, but it will be reversed from the zone and go down. And as soon as the chart reaches the zone, I open the deal with lower, and we successfully earned. So we can open another one deal with lower here because a reversal pattern was formed here. It's named bear engulfing. And we have it with a top pattern. So there are more detailed names of reversal patterns, and all of them shows that the chart will likely go down further. So why not open another deal with lower and wait for the result? So guys, the second deal opened with lower was unfortunately closed at a loss. So we opened two following deals to cover the loss. They're just closed. In a profit, you can see it, and we earned again. Now I definitely won't risk and bet on lower. The market does not show the activity I'd like to see yet, downward motion I mean. So I'll be observing the chart, and if we see some profitable trading cases, we'll open a deal with lower for sure. And for now, let's find some similar cases on other currency pairs. So guys, the next deal on another currency pair was closed in a profit, and here at the very bottom I marked support zone as the name another name of the resistance zone. So it's being made through several touches of the market, but a support zone is a support zone because it's already beneath the market, not above it. So the market rolls up from the support zone. Now we see the rollback, which we needed clearly, but our deal is already closed in a profit, so we have nothing to worry about anymore. Here we see a triangle, is the same thing, same resistance and support zones, but now they're diagonal ones, not horizontal. Okay, so when the chart reaches out of the upper or the lower border of the triangle, the channel, the wedge, call it whatever you want, those dramatic shapes, then it moves to the direction it went out of. On this example, we can clearly see how the market moves out of the lower border of the triangle and continues its downward motion to the support zone. We've already rolled back from it, earned well, so let's find some new trading cases. Guys, another one just awesome deal is here. At the very top of the parallel channel is being formed, so the channel is some support and resistance lines but parallel to each other. So we have a resistance zone, and I saw that we didn't manage to get out of the resistance zone, and it means that from resistance line we're supposed to fall down definitely. Okay, so we get this big falling candle right till the support zone. By the way, it can be located somewhere here, okay, as well. And the chart will go up now, but the main thing is that we earned, so let's go on. So the case is pretty similar to the series of deals here. The only difference is that the previous we had a support line, now it's a support line conversely. And what happened? We were corrected, so we fell down to the support line. I saw a rollback, a clearly seen green candle, and thinking that the chart will keep on moving up, I opened the deal with higher, of course, but the next candle, as it happens sometimes, was suddenly red. So the next time I opened two deals again with higher, and from support zone as well, we rolled back, so we drew a green candle and managed to earn. I don't see any confident level here, we're likely to go down, so let's switch to the next currency pair, you know. Guys, another awesome series of deals is over, and let me explain you again how I decided to open two deals with lower. Well, we can see clear upward motion. At the very top, the doji candle is formed. For those who do not know, how the market works, somehow they know that the doji candle is usually the peak of the trend. So the very peak of the uptrend, and we know well that after a peak there's a fall. So the market starts to move down. Here we see the doji candle. It always has a big shadow beneath or above it. So here's another doji candle, after which the growth started, and after the doji candle at the top a fall starts. The first deals closed unfortunately at a loss, but the following two ones open to cover expenses, they're closed in a profit. So guys, I opened another deal with lower to confirm the downtrend. It was successfully closed. Our deposit is successfully made more than 2 times bigger, even though the bet amount was only 15% of deposit. So the more we trade, the bigger the bet amount becomes, and the faster our balance grows. Guys, I'm so glad you watched this video till the end. You're such a fine fellow. So I'll tell you secretly how to get private signals from me absolutely for free. So to trade on my financial recommendations, you just need to follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel, meet a couple of simple conditions, and I'll add you to the private channel with signals for sure. And don't forget, after watching this video, to apply the knowledge you've got in practice. To do that, you just need to register following the link in the description. So you sign up on pocketoption platform and try trading a demo account. I'm sure that all the knowledge you've got you need to apply and practice. So good luck. I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before you go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading in binary options, I recommend you to watch the video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. That's it. Bye!